Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Armor All Ultra Shine Car Wash Wax. Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax was developed using the most advanced technologies available. Our proprietary blend of cleaning agents, surface lubricants and real carnauba wax is absolutely guaranteed to meet the most exacting standards. 100% satisfaction guaranteed or your money back. Armor All absolutely guarantees its products will meet your highest standards. Contains hydrating agents that help foam stay wetter so suds last longer for a premium car wash at home. Powerful car cleaning products safely remove bugs, tar, and bird droppings from your car's exterior finish. From car wash mitts to car drying towels, our high-quality accessories make cleaning your car easier. Make way for the best dual-action auto wash on the market. While it washes, this foam car detergent leaves behind a glass-like gloss and protection that can only be done with our secret ingredient, silicon dioxide. Save time by washing and protecting in one step. Ceramic car soap wash is easy to use with a low pressure or high pressure foam gun or even just the traditional 2-bucket wash method. The Armor All Premium Ceramic Car Wash gives your car a thick, luxurious car shampoo with mountains of foamy suds that emulsify and life dirt on contact. Rinse your vehicle with a snow foam car wash soap and you're ready to cruise to your next adventure. Our second best car wash soap is Adam's Car Wash Shampoo. This pH-neutral wash soap safely removes debris from your vehicle's paint without damaging the clear coat. Furthermore, it generates a slick feel by lubricating all of your paint surfaces, resulting in a scratch-free wash experience. Adam's Car Shampoo is gentle enough not to dry out your trim or plastic components thanks to our innovative cleaners and polymers. It is effective while remaining safe for all surfaces like as paint, rubber, vinyl, glass, and plastics. Adam's Car Shampoo leaves a thick layer of suds on your vehicle's paint, lubricating it and removing dirt, grime, and other environmental toxins. It has a nice wild berry aroma and works well in a wash bucket, foam gun, or foam cannon. Adam's Car Shampoo removes stains, rinses clean, and will not remove existing waxes, sealants, or ceramic coatings. Use it in direct sunlight before cleaning your paint with a clay bar, applying wax protection, or polishing your paint. Adam's Ceramic Car Foam Soap is produced from high-quality chemicals that will not chemically harm any coating on your vehicle, even boats. It will keep your gel coat intact while also adding an extra layer of ceramic protection on top. It will function if it has wheels. Adam's Vehicle Wash Foam Soap is extremely effective on exterior solid surfaces such as glass, chrome, paint, stainless steel, plastic, and even headlights. So, use our pressure washer soap to clean and protect all of the wheels in your garage, including trucks, RVs, boats, motorbikes, dirt bikes, ATVs, and more. Third in our list is McGuires Ultimate Car Wash. This enhanced car wash foam soap combines the power of carnauba wax and synthetic polymer technology to clean your paint gently while providing additional wax protection that enhances the shine of your vehicle. It combines 2 car cleaning products into one innovative formula that not only gently cleans your vehicle in one easy step, but also leaves behind a deep, glossy, just wax shine that will turn heads wherever you go. The incredible sudsing action of this foaming car wash soap lifts dirt and grime from your vehicle's surface without the risk of swirling, ensuring a safe and effective cleaning experience with consistent, lasting results. Add McGuires Ultimate Wash and Wax to your car wash kit to efficiently clean, shine, and protect your car's surface in between regular waxings for a glossier ride that's always looking its absolute best. This wash and wax car wash is pH neutral and compatible with all other McGuires washes and waxes. This means you can trust it to safely and effectively clean your car without stripping its wax. Utilizing a unique subset of polymers, Absolute encapsulates and emulsifies dirt beyond the capabilities of standard car wash soap. Water is instantly softened upon mixture of Absolute, thus reducing chances of hard water spotting. Designed for use on paint, coatings, wraps, PPF, trim, plastics, leather, and upholstery. Number 4 in our best car wash soap list is RainX Deep Cleaning Foaming Soap. RainX Spot-Free Car Wash is a specially formulated car wash that leaves a spot-free shine without the need of hand drying. This car wash contains a unique blend of rinsing polymers, causing water to sheet off the vehicle for fast air drying. No towel drying needed with this unique car wash. Wash, rinse, air dry and go car washing has never been so convenient. The formula is safe for the environment, biodegradable and pH balanced to not harm any exterior surfaces of your vehicle or the world around you. This concentrated spot-free foaming car wash requires only 1 ounce of formula to 1 gallon of water to leave a bright spot-free shine on the vehicle without stripping wax. RainX car wash products are formulated to provide you with high-impact foam that clings onto dirt and road grime to provide you with a deep clean and brilliant shine. Ethos Ceramic Car Shampoo is super hydrophobic and CO2 create a durable barrier for both coated and uncoated cars that boosts water beading and sheeting, saving time while drying. We infused CO2 ceramic ingredients to add protection while washing. Unlike traditional car shampoos, ceramic shampoo was designed specifically for the special needs of ceramic coatings. Enriched with ceramic ingredients to work in conjunction with any ceramic coating. Also safe for use on any wax or paint sealant surfaces. Our last pick is Chemical Guy's Meticulous Car Wash Soap. Chemical Guy's Meticulous Matte Auto Wash cleans and protects matte paint finishes and vinyl wraps. Meticulous Matte Auto Wash is formulated with all-natural citrus extracts for superior cleaning power. Citrus is one of nature's greatest cleaning secrets. The power of citrus easily breaks down dirt and road grime for a clean surface with 0 streaks. Matte paints are especially sensitive to contamination from pollution, water spots, dirt, dust, bird droppings, and insects. Meticulous Matte Auto Wash is the first matte-safe car wash soap formulated for any 2-bucket, foam gun, and foam cannon wash. Meticulous Matte provides slick lubrication to remove abrasive dirt, dust, and road grime without scratching sensitive matte paint finishes. Meticulous Matte contains no gloss enhancers and no wax that would add unwanted gloss and shine. Our premium formula is great for removing dirt, grime, and road film without dulling the paint surface. New Super Foam Technology. It's our best formula yet. Designed to gently break down even the toughest dirt and grime instantly. Use with Voodoo Ride Water Hose Foam Cannon Foaming Action. Super concentrated formula. A little goes a long way. Use a traditional 2-bucket wash system and Voodoo Ride foam cannons to blast your vehicle with a ton of foam. Enjoy a fresh citrus scent as you wash your vehicle. Then, dry with a Voodoo Ride XL drying towel to finish.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!